Dodge Dakota won't start. The following troubleshooting guide is based on the factory recommendations for a Dodge Dakota that will not start up. These troubleshooting procedures apply to Dodge Dakota 3.9-liter engines that will not start, the 4.7-liter engine that will not turn on, and the 5.9-liter engines that won't start. These troubleshooting procedures apply to engine will not crank and engine cranks but will not start. Download the complete Dodge Dakota repair manual in seconds at 911manual.com. The repair manual covers every aspect of troubleshooting, service and repair, from a basic oil change to complete engine overhaul. The manual covers it all. When you get to 911manual.com, click on the appropriate icons. Then select the brand, model and year Dodge Dakota repair manual. Then download the manual. www.911manual.com, your #1 source for digital download manuals.